A mountaineering group in Tanay leads the way in youth empowerment. With 230 active members, Tanay Mountaineers is the official disaster response team of the Tanay Municipal Government. David Lozada reports.
This 22-year-old regularly trains in disaster response and search and rescue management. Roxanne Hernandez believes it's her responsibility.
Kung hindi natin bibigyan ng pansin yung issue na to, hindi rin mauunawaan, kumbaga hindi magiging aware yung mga tao kung ano yung pwedeng maging epekto sa kanila ng mga pangyayaring ito sa ating bansa.
Roxanne is a member of the Tanay Mountaineers, or TM, a non-governmental organization focused on disaster risk reduction and environmental protection. The group started as a youth volunteer in mountaineering organization in 1997. Because of their expertise in rescue, first aid, navigation, and survival operations, they became the official disaster response team of the Tanay Municipal Government. Tanay is prone to various natural hazards like floods and landslides. To answer the need for better disaster response and mitigation, the local government taps its youth to promote disaster resiliency and climate change adaptation in the different barangays. Tanay lacks high-tech disaster response equipment, but the local government invests in community-level preparedness and mitigation, tapping TM and the youth for these efforts. Tanay DRRM Chief and TM Founding Chairman Carlos Inofre says the partnership between the local government and civil society is key.
Na-utilize nila yung mga NGO dun sa area. Kasi ito yung dito namin talaga effectively na-train yung community down to the household level. So we combine our resources, kaya sa tingin namin, disaster resilient na yung Tanay.
TM trained the town's 20 barangays and local law enforcers in responding to multiple hazards. Most of TM's operations are run by its young members.
Yung youth kasi, kung titingnan natin, yan yung mas may time, yan yung mas may capacity in terms of physical, mental, and intellectual capacity. Yung youth, yung kung titingnan natin, sila yung mas matatap natin nowadays para maging aware yung community pagdating sa mga gantong issues.
Tanay's example shows the lack of equipment and budget need not cost lives, and that community preparedness is the best way to adapt to disasters. Tanay Mountaineers will keep training the next generation of Filipino lifesavers, hoping to see a more disaster-resilient Philippines. David Lozada, Rappler, Tanay Rizal.